Again, so guys, in this video we will see how to fix fail to accept family invite on Steam. So guys, if you're facing such type of issues, so first of all, there is a common causes and the fixes. So maybe there is a country region mismatch. So Steam required all the family member to reside in the same country, store region, and verify your country matches in your account setting. So this is the first thing you can do. For changing the country, first of all you go to the Steam account. Okay, then guys, go to your profile section. Here you see choose language, so make sure you have the choose same language. Then view my profile, and in this you go, actually this is a desktop version, maybe some of the option is not open, but you go here, and guys, here you see the option of here my detail. Okay, here you see this is my country region. So you simply go and update your store country. Okay, second thing is guys, active session. So log out the secondary device completely before accepting an invite on the primary devices. Okay, so third thing is guys, resend the invite, cancel the pending notification, generated the fresh invite, go to the setting, then family management. Okay, here you go and accept directly inside the desktop client. Okay, here you can invite and also invite the member. Simply go here, you also search from the friend list if you have, and if you want to share the link, so you also do it with the link. Okay, so this is the way that you can do. And guys, you also go for changing the browser and clear the cache. Sometimes the clear cache also creates such type of request, such type of problems. So you also change your clear your cache and cookies. For this, simply go to the settings and go to the option of your history. So here you go for history, open history page, clear browsing data. So this is the way that you can do. So guys, thank you.